Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside Word with your document open and the text selected. Click the tiny font dialog launcher in the Home ribbon to access more options. This gives you control beyond the ribbon presets. Once you see the font dialog, type a large number into the size field to start, such as 72 or 100, and press Enter to confirm. You do this because the ribbon limits presets, while the dialog accepts direct numeric input for immediate effect. You continue by directly typing a custom size into the size box. Word accepts values higher than 72 when entered manually. Once done, press Enter or click OK so Word applies that exact size to your selection. If the result looks scaled oddly, open the Advanced or Character Spacing tab and check Scale or Spacing settings. Adjust them to maintain visual proportion. This step ensures precision because typing bypasses. You finish by confirming layout and printing preview to ensure the oversized font fits pages and margins. If Word refuses to render extremely large sizes visually, place the text in a text box or shape. That often preserves the size. Make sure to update printer drivers and set page size correctly if output looks wrong. If you run into problems, save the custom size as a style for consistent reuse. This avoids repeating manual entry and prevents accidental reversion to smaller defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.